Hey guys, Round here, welcome back to another video, and in this one I'll help you to find the right GCam for your device. In case you don't know, GCam or Google Cam is a portrait camera app from Google Pixel devices. The image processing on GCam is much better than the most of the stock camera app that comes with your phone. There are users who prefer GCam over stock camera app even in high-end Android devices like OnePlus 7 Pro, S10 and more. But the problem is, GCam is not just another app that you can install on any Android device. Every different Android device requires its own GCam developed for it with specific parameters. So your device may not have GCam because there is no version available for it. So how do you know if there is any GCam available for your device? Well, there are websites you can look up to find GCam. But to GCam even work in any device, there are some requirements, both hardware and software. Basically, there are three main requirements. 1. GCam only works on Snapdragon and Exynos processor as far as I know. If your device using MediaTek or Kirin processors, GCam will not work at all. Second, this is not a requirement, but if your device is not 64-bit and Android Oreo or above, the chances are very less to work GCam in your device. Number 3, your device must have Camera2 API and it should be enabled in order to GCam work. The last one is a software feature, so to check whether your device supports Camera2 API or not, you can download this app called Camera2 API Probe. After installing the app, open it and check this row called Hardware Support Level. If it is level 3, which means your smartphone supports all Camera2 API features, plus the manufacturer has added some extra features to the camera hardware. If it is full, means your phone has supported all Camera2 API features. If it is limited, as the name has shown, your smartphone supports only some limited features of Camera2 API. If it is legacy, means your smartphone only supports Camera 1 API features, not Camera2 API. So the final and simple things are, if your smartphone supports level 3, then it means your smartphone supports all Camera2 API features. But don't lose hope if your device does not support Camera2 API because it's a software feature and there is always workarounds. You can try different custom ROMs which supports Camera2 API, or if it is not enabled by default, there are tutorials to simply enable Camera2 API. Just Google how to enable Camera2 API with your device name. XDA website links are preferred. So if your device meets all previously mentioned requirements, then let's find the right GCam for your device. And again, XDA is your best bet. Just go to xdadevelopers.com and search your device name. Then go to the themes and mode section. You will definitely find GCam in front page here, or you can search GCam in this forum. Also, there are other websites entirely dedicated to GCam, like this one, which I'm not going to pronounce, and gcambrasil.com. And this is a really good place to get GCam work in your device. This website is also a good place to know why I don't explain this process, because each device requires a different set of steps to make this work. Let's say you use Poco F1. You can click on the device name and simply download GCam and install like a normal app, because Camera2 API is enabled by default on Poco F1 and it meets all other requirements. But if you use Xiaomi Mi A1 and because the Camera2 API is disabled by default, you have to unlock the bootloader, install a custom recovery, and then you have to enable Camera2 API. This website is in Portuguese, but you can translate this website easily with inbuilt browser translators. The instructions on this website are good, but maybe too brief for beginners, so always research more if you found any steps confusing. And before winding up this video, these GCam sports are created by developers for free, so respect their work and donate if you can. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this useful, and all links will be in the description. If you got any questions, feel free to ask me in comment section, or you can reach me out on Instagram or Twitter. Subscribe and click the bell icon if you want to see more videos related to tech, smartphone, photography and video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.